If you select objects before actually selecting a command, you can use a selection method known as implied selection. With no command currently active, notice that if I simply click in an empty spot, AutoCAD immediately assumes that I want to select objects. If I move the cursor to the right, the program automatically uses a window selection. I can tell that it's a window by its solid border and blue background. If I move the cursor to the left, the program automatically uses a crossing window. Again, I can tell that it's a crossing window by its dashed border and green background. But notice that in the command window, I can see a prompt. This prompt doesn't appear when I start a command such as the erase command first and then select the objects that I want to erase. But if I select objects without first starting a command, the program prompts me to specify the opposite corner of the selection window and also gives me the option of using the fence, W polygon, or C polygon selection method. With dynamic input enabled, notice that I also see a prompt adjacent to the cursor. And if I press the down arrow on the keyboard, I can choose the fence, W polygon, or C polygon selection method from a menu. I'll choose W polygon and then pick points to define the window polygons surrounding the objects I want to select. I can tell that it's a window polygon by its solid border and blue background. Once the objects I want to select are all inside the window polygon, I'll press Enter to complete the selection. And notice that those objects are highlighted, indicating that they've been selected. Since I never started a command, the objects are simply highlighted. I can also see small blue squares called grips. If I click the Erase tool in the Modify panel of the Home ribbon, the highlighted objects are immediately removed from the drawing. Because I had already selected the objects, the program does not prompt me to select objects. It simply performs the action on the objects I had already selected.